Down in Dublin, Georgia, where the red clay winds blow free, lives a songbird with a story carved in family history. From the church pews to the spotlight, she found her soulful truth. Yeah, my cousin E.G. Kight been singing blues since her youth. She heard Coco Taylor wailing, felt that fire in her bones, mixed it with gospel and country, made a sound all of her own. A little southern comfort rhythm, a little Americana groove. When she plugs in that guitar, the whole world starts to move. She's my family, she's my heartbeat. She's the Georgia Songbird blues. Spreads her wings on southern skies with every note she grooves. Got that voice like Bonnie Raitt, soul as deep as a river hues. Yeah, I'm proud to call her kin, my cousin with the Georgia Songbird blues. Out on her family land, the goats come wandering near. They follow her every morning like they know their music's here. She'll laugh and say they're her audience, loyal through and through. Those goats know every melody before the crowd ever do. She's been traveling town to town, playing stages far and wide, with her boys Ken Win and Gary Porter standing right by her side. They bring that trio session magic, tight as a band can be. When they hit that first chord together's pure southern harmony. She's my family, she's my heartbeat. She's the Georgia Songbird blues. Spreads her wings on southern skies with every note she grew. Got that voice like Phoebe Snow, warm like Sunday afternoon. Yeah, I'm proud to call her kin, my cousin with the Georgia Songbird blues. From the back roads to the big time lights, even Grammy-nominated albums echo her name through the nights. Independent and fearless, Blue South Records is her crown, and I stand here with pride, saying that's my cousin all over town. She's my family, she's my heartbeat. She's the Georgia Songbird blues. When she sings, the angels listen to every note so pure and true. She's a legacy in motion, every stage she steps into. Yeah, I'm proud she's part of me, my cousin with the Georgia Songbird blues.